Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XXX Edition and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in! The XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XXX Edition offers decent performance for 1080p gaming, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers. However, it may struggle with demanding titles at higher settings. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT delivers exceptional performance, capable of handling 4K gaming at maximum settings with ease. This makes it a top choice for gamers looking for high-resolution experiences. When it comes to VRAM, the XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS is equipped with 8 GB of GDDR5 memory, which may be insufficient for modern gaming at higher resolutions. On the other hand, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT boasts a substantial 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing ample headroom for high-resolution textures and demanding applications. This difference in VRAM capacity can significantly impact gaming performance and future-proofing. Price is a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS is priced affordably at $129, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT comes with a premium price tag of $499, reflecting its high-end performance and capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and gaming requirements. In conclusion, both the XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XXX Edition and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 580 is a solid choice for budget gamers, while the RX 7800 XT is designed for those seeking top-tier performance. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.